Hello, guys. It was raining this morning, all the morning. I just stopped and the sun is shining again. Guys, look at my what this one? It's a very purple pearl, and I bump on this when I move a pot, and it's broken. And honestly, guys, I'm quite, how to say, this Echeverria purple is not happy. They are not happy, and they become, look, it's become tall, and the head becomes small. It's not attractive anymore because it's getting older. And the flower, I will remove it because actually when they are flowering, it takes a lot of energy from the mother, and that's why we should remove the flower. Even though the flower is beautiful and it's good for the bees, but it's drain all of the energy of the mother, and the result is the mother become old. Look at that, it's not beautiful, it's woody. Sorry, I'm thinking to cut this. Yeah, I think I'm going to pull it out. Guys, I actually have a lot of things to do here, guys, because a lot of weeds everywhere, unwanted weeds everywhere. So I need to do this. I don't have how to say. It's not because I don't have time, but I have other things to do and this and that. And look at this is the PVN. This one is looks okay, not that bad compared to this one. I need to remove the leaves later, so they will give me babies. And actually I have a lot of babies of PVN, but for the purple pearl I'm not sure. Let's move here. And this one I'm thinking to remove the flower as well, because I don't want the flower drain the mother plant. So I'm going to pull. Okay, so I pull just like that. It's gorgeous, guys. It's gorgeous, beautiful, but I broke a leaf, but it's okay. This one, okay, I broke another leaf. This one not look that bad compared to the other one, and it's crowded. They are crowded, and yeah, I really need to take time to rearrange my succulent bed. And this one has grown big since last year, because actually here there is Anacampseros, and we don't see it anymore. Look at that, we don't see it anymore. And when look, they are over here, you can see that. Look at that. This is it used to be pink when they got the sun, but now they are all green. I need to remove this, I think. And this one, the sedum, but they look so happy here, and I don't feel I want to touch it. But the Anacampseras are over there under all of the other plant. Oh my god, know what to do. This one looks beautiful. the flower. I should remove this as well. Maybe we should do it now. Okay, I will do it now. And look at it's gorgeous, isn't it? I think I will try to propagate the lower leaves, and we will cut the other one. This is my, I think it's a Sediveria bloomist, this one, and this one going to experience first winter this winter, but I will provide them protection, sure. And I think all of the plant here, it's the first winter they're going to experience. Sorry, in a few months. I put all the leaves here, all the flower stock, and this one as well. My this is the, what is this already? It's a Pachiveria or Pachipaitum. I think Pachipaitum Captain Juice, or this one. This one is the Weathermania. They all looks beautiful, and this one as well. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. They're really loving the weather right now, guys. I'm happy that they look fine again, because during summer they all look sad. And this one, I think I need to remove this as well. This is actually my Black Prince. This one, yeah, it used to be big. Now it's small because it's crowded. It doesn't have enough place. Yeah, but I don't want to touch it. I need to remove the flower of the. This one is some type of Carasula, but I don't know the name. Okay, all the flower I put it here under my lemon tree. My lemon got fruit, a lot of them actually. And what else I can do? Look, I already regrouped my plant. Not all of them, but most of them already here. Because actually, guys, during summer, I don't put I put them under all the roses here to provide them some protection. And this one, I need to redo this pot, repurpose pot, because they don't look so happy. I don't know. And the Bepao, I can't make it happy, this one. I don't know. Maybe I didn't try enough. And the same with this. This one is the Grapetalum meranii. They look cute, but they didn't multiply a lot. And okay, I think I will end this video. I just it was raining yesterday and today this morning, so I take the opportunity to go out in my garden because the sun is out. Wait. And the babies of PVN, they all grown from leaves, from the flower stalk. They looks healthy. There is more over here actually. That. I think I will. Oh my god. how cute they are. So beautiful. So guys, this is my video for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please help me to like and subscribe. Thank you so much in advance, and see you soon. Bye bye. Have a good day.